Now Yema Mampeni John Mahama Ntia say asofo tese sa asofo na o hyehyia won no eya too much.
Meaning say omo bi wasase we so a omo building on my because of Nyamesomo monka say holding hands na some paibo any asofo to me share na ye bibia and can grow can na kwa ban and can to finish Mr. President. Don't deceive yourself, Mr. President. Don't disappoint some of us.
Abusia NDC for no confusion as a part nimu. Ama NDC communicated free mind more Ralph the following Ghanaians more Kevin Taylor more any NDC for more moya NDC bloggers because some NDC now. Abusia omu nyina afei omu fire Mahama efa Jocelyn Dumas na appointment any asofo Mahama meeting omu nansen omu tirema yados meeting omu nansen ensem de bebrebe na omu akampade atre Mahama aha Penyah block media message any demo over like this video no other room over subscribe button and click the notification icon for latest updates na be kire wadwen area mam e comment section over so no a share video na ma so enya bi ahwe ya favorite Jocelyn Dumas eji atoba ewie enije abafie bibia ekoso nanse ne hu se Mahama e be appointed Jocelyn Dumas as Deputy Director for Diaspora Affairs na eno na NDC for say na Mahama pa Jocelyn Dumas de osimu say e benya position NDC mo because ya yedi yekun ya homa party no eye campaign ematem de age ye attack ahodo ba yesu nyina wenye nyina ma wotwe nyina egu anokwa appointed Jocelyn Dumas obi otini be ono no eyezu eyezakra on can be that ono na all command position any endings for Abefaya Mahama on this
Respect some appointment to be wo ha enye fe Jocelyn wo mo na omo kwa akon no so just na mo do omo kwa akon no and the position aba mo dey ma reserve for na omo manko bi no Jocelyn Dumas campaign be na oyeye menti se waka yezukura eyeza diaspora fe oba beto yokrom ha adai
na yewe fro yanko asofo nsensem ene Mahama ozebeka ya beto abanim no Mahama had a fellowship with the clergy Orika yebi wo Accra ema osabe yebi okumase ema kumase den kwa ho na prophet opambo ene afia pokua vimledi ebenya banta ayeze oketeche fifa mensa ebeje ntokwa no koma afia ayeze enamso ma opambo akra ne oketeche fifa benya entawantawa odumedumi nyina ne ade berebe yeso se okay yeto ba wi eche Mahama ewe ne ye Mahama first had a fellowship with the clergy for the first time after the election also have a fellowship with the clergy for the second time. Emma last week Friday, Mahama had another fellowship with the clergy. Nese yebeto aba ene se to we Mahama Asia so for no on 4 occasions. Ani nyina empire crowd no moboma no nyina empire na the same empire as na memu obedie ene ma bekoye e dia ma no. Na eno na NDC for communicators atena se ahwe di rom se da bi. O se kan se mi kire Mahama. O mche se Mahama asofo ya omo bompa ma eni eyesa asofo na omo MPP mu yede kufa tra konwa so ebi mu kura be bompa say omo chi dollar ama dollar gina fa akonso at the end of the day didn't go see a dollar was nearing to 20 cedis 80 Mahama eni de mu forget asofo we mo yemfa mpa ya mu Ghana forget asofo we mo ehwe so ba obera nya sa asa ogigi asofo we bani mu a ombe mu abofom ombe gu ani mu ase said omugu MPP ani mu ase no
Mampeni John Dramani Mahama ne NDC mpenifo nti bibi ene mpenifo a etwa Mampeni John Dramani Mahama ho ehia entia CSL obia enye against the GDA Mampeni John Dramani Mahama eye Kristo ni eye ni GDA no he believes in God, he believes in Jesus, that's okay. I have no problem with that. Now Yema Mampeni John Mahama ntia CSL asofo Tese, Sasofo na o hyehyia won no eya too much. Na se Mampeni John Mahama anya careful asofo no bedum nija. She asofo no they have mastered the art of quenching your fire. Asofo no eba say psychologically no yenum obija yen turn a lion into a rabbit. They have mastered the art. Na Sasofo na Mampeni Mahama hyehyia no abribia no worshiping with the clergy na so for ne kwa nanim yesu osu bempa no osese na hwan se Mampeni John Dramani Mahama ya careful ombedum nija ama botaya na eda na niso se oba no obechi enkwasiafo bi agum obechi akromfo bi e dia set example a resetting Ghana no. Say Mampeni Mahama anya careful la ontimi ge ejetia. Asofo no bedum nija. Because asofo no omu ye criminals. Yanti Ghana ha. And at the same Duncan Williams, Ecogina Blaster Square, and I have and I have one pie, yeah, $1, and I have one pie, and inflation, and I have one pie about me, and I have one pie, and pie or boy, yeah, a baby, I say $1 to almost 20 Ghana cities. It was saying, if I had a buyer, not about me, also did my trade, and my Jumada at the Bank of Ghana, the money is there, and I did, and Kwasia Kika, and Kwasia Assembly, and they are Manan and Kofia too. Mampeni Mahama, Bano, it was said Mampeni Mahama, a date in nice form. A campaign bon dear. Ghanaians are praying for Mampeni John Dramani. Maybe say that we are me bompire, the Mampeni John Dramani Mahama, the NDC, I might say, let them succeed. Mampeni John Dramani Mahama, or yere or bompire mount. Oma Sharaf, your friends say Farida, air bompire mount on daily basis. Ghana for a tier loud silence media. Ghana for a tier free mind family Ghana. They always remember you in their prayers. The Muslim community, the Christians, traditional believers, everybody, because Ghanaians believe in your leadership and Ghanaians believe so much in your presidency. E can pay what only problem. Mampeni John Dramani Mahama, e can to me a pay your didie no, nyanko pon de asha won say wie. Unya obi bia hwe biem. Nia Ghana force be ye ne say for nice form na setting a precedence. Emma Ghana for nantia say. Yet the Almighty Misha will say, "Ontimi you su and found wrecking the nation dry." Now we are what for wedding. Enutina, someone said the power. Adibakwa ama Ghana for any edge Mampeni John Dramani Mahama member when they say, Oba ye, oral team no, Ejuma all ye, all declare call for be wanted enough. And I'm so. And ama Ghana for any idea can see a power Mampeni John Dramani Mahama. Emma Empus and they are. Ye kasa ye sa to aba percentage of Mampeni John Dramani Mahama enya ye in 2024 will go higher. Why? The rating asa go high because of Sadia na oye no. Mampeni Mahama Emma Ghana software enum wuja. Osu Bempao Danka Williams so one yo me see Mampeni Mahama Emma asofo nka nchia say to me na Ghana for the amount no men fan settle scores there be Ghana for the 2 million share won say come and settle scores with the NPP kwasiafo. I keep saying this. Say it's easier for NDC to be the first party to break the 8 if only say NDC timechi akronfo ba ku mienu miensa to mu a done deal. We are making him say NDC penifo tie me. Na NDC penifo tie ni ye say I am giving you the key. Me meye adwuma bi a betimi aye. Kevin Taylor obeye adwuma bi a obetimi aye. Me amia nkoto. Any other bloggers are supporting NDC. We wish the party well and John Dramani Mahama well, and we are constantly going to work hard to make sure say John Dramani Mahama na member eba succeed enunti na member Mahama the glue. Semekaya emra na yeye freedom fighters. Ghana for na eti social media say NDC ne MPP pe eye Ghana for the only reason ti na sa Ghana for no gina so edit say NDC ne MPP pe nie. Na sa Ghana for na say NDC wa abemu a they see everything wrong with NPP. Omu ya kromfo Oma ye say, Enrio, Yadio, Yadio, now so, almost Sufra Bemwa, not say NDC ba, Yetimichia. The same thing, NDC so are Bemwa, not the NPP so tetra, NDC a cromfo, Omu say yo, Omusunya Panana, Yanchio. It took us a lot to convince our Ghana for the say, NPP ni NDC nyepe. Na sa Ghana for no. They are hanging on the line. They don't know say yenko NDC and I say let us remain with the NPP or any other side there your war. And I say let us keep playing neutral hypocritically. Ni nano say South for be jumping the fence. Abe joining NDC a ejina Mampeni John Dramani Mahama ebeye. The next flag bearer of NDC, Penyah ni easy, we need 2028, age 4 years, near President John Mahama Edebeye. Now, NDC in TSC say as of no, they don't love NDC. Also, member on no NDC da. The American, your friend is saying, money, enemy American. Say as of for me to say also member on no NDC da. Avram Bemosha Akode. Onosu bofu tie
Mr. President for a new Hajj hall or whatever. President Akosia why? I didn't say or maybe was as we saw building on my because of Namesumo Monkan say go to Israel today. Israel, there are Ghanaian citizens getting scholarship to go to Israel to go and learn how to do agriculture. Israel. And we are here holding hands. That's a Bible. Any as of four to me, and Calgro, Cadanako, and Mr. President. Don't deceive yourself, Mr. President. Please, we don't give respect. Some of us, we sacrifice our life, the happiness of our family. My mother cried 25 times in jail. Then I put on there. As papa, if you are boy, in so toy, rivers could be a church. Yet didn't hear to Galamsey. And this idiots were in this country watching it. And now what? Come on, Mr. President. Don't disappoint some of us. Don't disappoint some of us. Because we forgo everything. We let go of our family, our friends. We were mocked. I have slept outside on the street. You know why? Because we believed that we needed leadership, and with good leadership, this country will bounce back to track. Ghanaians never voted for NDC. Neither the Ghanaians voted for John Mahama. They voted for a leader, and that is who you are. Wake up as a leader. Act like a leader. Be the lion. When you go to the forest, and you're lion, you know, you're the strongest, and you're not the smartest, and you're not the intelligent, but he is the leader of the jungle, as we all talk about. Mr. President, rise up above it all. This mind games, I know some of them you listen and yes, I want you to be that kind of a leader.
HND plus of when is someone NDC bloggers, Abeka, Ejachre Mahama Chilem say, in fact, as of for no empire and a yard or son. Ibrahim Traoré, Burkina Faso, Obia Mompire Mano, 37 years guy, Obia Mompire Mano, His Excellency Uche Nibibi, Uche Ibrahim Traoré, Baby, Traoré, Obia Mompire Mano, as the name of all your Burkina Faso, a brad unity assessor, Yatua Bama, Oya Supreme Leader, Empire, a yard also. Young vampire by Ghana, yet intelligence, and a jitcher of my empire. Umtures account empire now here, and the NDC people. The 6 million plus people no to amount. Obia the empire air tower, 18 pie baby. His Excellency money now. Never so woman, yes, sir, so fully, the Biameca. National Cathedral, I saw fully an edition of Monsa. O Mudisi can we ye, and Obia so a reason for a Cathedral board no were free mo. O Mudisi can we ye, and Umia Beni a coy. O more Mubiana coy and a bisoka or software, a bishop shall know. Someone why in fact, as some. Before us. Obeta Traoré in our comment section. I Penyah Block Media.